All better. There. Good job. Uh-oh. Here we go. We got more.
Careful.
One more.
One more. Now, what are we going to put?
You put.
What are we going to put? What do we put here? Oh, no.
Nobby. Nobby.
You just ate the house.
Nobby. 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 Nobby.
Yummy, yummy. Is it delicious? Okay, don't eat this, okay? Wait. Wait. Okay. Can you put this right there?
You right there.
Right there.
You right there.
Yeah. With the icing on the outside or in the inside, right there. Just like that. Can you push? Push it on. Push. Good job.
One more.
One more. You do the other side? Okay, hang on, wait. Mommy's gotta put icing on it. Wait. It won't stay, baby.
Push.
It's not gonna stick. It needs the icing
We
first.
need the icing first, okay?
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy. Okay. Good job. Yay.
One more.
One more.
Knife.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, we don't play with that.
Oh, look, here's another marble to put on the house. Don't eat it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Uh-oh.
I got it.
I got
What?
it. Why is that?
What is that? Good job.
Now.
Now what?
Now what?
Now,
Now what? Now what?
do you want to put eyes on the gingerbread man? Can you put eyes? Pick one of the tiny marbles and put an eye. Good job.
Eyes.
Eyes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Eye.
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 Eye. Yay!
You're cool.
He's cool.
You're cool.
He's cool.
You're cool.
Yeah, can you show Dada the gingerbread man?
show Dada.
Bubba.
Tristan, show Dada the gingerbread man.
Now.
Now, where's the gingerbread man? Oh, he's gonna go right there. Do you want to make him stand up?
It's turtle.
Yeah, well, we'll make him stand up after we're done decorating, okay? We need to put
Eyes.
eyes. Don't eat them.
Don't eat the gingerbread man.
Oh. Poor gingerbread man.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, stand him up. Did you put icing
Well, I
down?
was going to, but I wanted to decorate the house first.
Oh, go ahead then. Set him off to the side.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
More. Marbles?
More marbles. Okay. So how about this?
Doorknobs.
Yeah, doorknobs. Can you put the doorknobs on?
They come in.
Come in.